family, it's your Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a Shein haul, try on style. So if you want to see what I got from Shein, then just keep on watching. So I have my bag from Shein right here, and it is decently full. As far as clothing goes, I got like 5 pieces. So yeah, I got a lot of like jewelry too, which I'm super excited about. Okay, so the first thing are these bamboo earrings. They say queen on them. So this is what one looks like, and they are freaking huge. These guys know I love my big hoops. They are just my thing. So they had a couple of other ones. I think one said baby, one said angel, so I might be picking those up in my next order. So all of these shirts came in a bag like this, and the tights as well that I purchased. I did take the rest of them out, but I did leave this one in just so you guys can see how it comes packaged. I got this plaid like v-neck shirt. All my shirts and tights I got in a size extra large because I'm not sure how their sizes run, so I wanted to be on the safe side. But this is what the shirt looks like. It's a long sleeve, and I believe it's like a turtleneck kind of. So yeah, I figured this would look really good for either Christmas or Thanksgiving, or just like with some nice black tights or jeans with some nice black boots. I think it'll look really pretty. But again, this is a try on style video, so you guys are gonna see like a picture of how I wore it, like right here. So I believe the prices as well on the screen. So next I got this maroon, I don't know if it's like a v-neck, because it's like a v-neck in the front and back, but it's super cute. It is not a crop top, it's like a full shirt, which I can appreciate because I feel like nowadays everything is cropped, which I had 2 kids, 2 C-sections, don't want to wear anything cropped. But I love this color, especially for fall. Then I got these same shirts in white because it was, I believe these were on sale for like less than $7, so I picked up 2, one in maroon shade and then a basic white. So next I got a pair of tights slash leggings, and you probably won't be able to see them all in frame, but they do have like this mesh see-through fabric here where it's like 2 stripes on both legs. I will also be inserting a picture of what the actual clothing item looks like. The material feels quite nice, really silky, but it does feel quite thin, so I don't know if I would wear this in the winter, like when it's snowing, maybe on the more like not so cold, not so hot days, like right in the middle, I would probably wear this. And then I got another pair of leggings in like that reddish maroonish shade, and these have like the, I don't know, it's kind of like a lacing in the back that make it tight and cinched around the waist. And again, these feel quite silky. These do feel a little bit thicker than the black pair, but again, these were on sale, so I was like, why not? I love leggings and tights. They're really easy to throw on and would almost go with anything. So yeah. So next I got these like hexagon or octagon earrings. I thought they were going to be bigger. Online they looked a lot bigger, but they're still cute, and I actually got 2 of them by accident, so I gave one to my niece, but they're really cute. And then I got a 2-finger ring. It says boss on it, which is super cute. I love 2 3-finger rings. So that is what it looks like. I would probably put it on these 2 because it is loose. Yeah, so that is what it looks like. Again, I would probably put it on maybe these 2 or these 2 fingers because it is a bit loose with the pinky, but it is super cute. I love rings like this. I just love big rings. And the last product that I got is a makeup product. If you don't know, Shein does have beauty products. They have their own like brand of beauty products, which is called She Glam. And I got this off of recommendation, I believe from either Maria Gloria, I think is her name, or Manny MUA. They did like a full face using Shein She Glam, and the concealer looked really good. So this is how it comes packaged. So that is what the box looks like. It says She Glam Eye Candy Pro Longwear Concealer. I got mine in the shade 204 Vanuatu. I'm so butchering that, but that is the name right there. So I just took the plastic off of it, which was impossible to take off. But I can appreciate the packaging, especially when I have clothing items in the bag and makeup. You want to make sure it doesn't spill. And holy jumbo concealer. This thing is huge. It's like the length of my freaking face. It's bigger than my freaking finger. You get 25 grams of product in here. Just for comparison, as you can see, there is a big size difference. I'm pretty sure this is even bigger than my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Yeah, this is a lot bigger than my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is freaking huge, but the shade actually looks pretty good. So it does just squeeze out, so you want to be careful because some already squeezed out. So let's just swatch that. So that is what the shade looks like, and I think that's gonna be like a really good, like perfect shade for me. So we will see how the concealer wears and looks. Stay tuned for my next video if you want to see how it wears or looks. I will leave it most likely linked up here somewhere, and I'll probably insert a picture of what the actual shade looks like on, just in case I forget to link the video. So yeah. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Do you freaking see that? I am obsessed. So that brings this Shein haul try on video to an end. If you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below about anything that I got or anything you've got that you think I should get, or if you want to say hey girl, hey. This is my first time ordering from Shein, so I didn't want to go crazy. I wanted to get a feel for their like material and their sizes to see, you know, if I like it or not. So yeah, that's why I didn't go crazy purchasing stuff, but I did want to purchase a few things, so I did, and I figured why not show you guys. So yeah, I'm super excited to start trying this stuff on, and yeah, so I'm probably gonna do that right now. On that note, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Can you play that again?